Now, let's start. So I just want to show you here the difference between the traditional supply chain and our Riemann business model. For those who are new here, Riemann actually has a very unique business model. So traditional supply chain, you have a company or the supplier of the products, and then usually this company, they look for distributors, okay? And then of course, these distributors, magta-top up yan with the pricing, and then they look for wholesalers, top up again with the price, and then go to the retail shops, some billboards along the way, some ads along the way before going to the customers. Now, what Riemann did was we actually cut these three players off and we went straight to the Riemann distributor, which are you, the planners. All right. So the Riemann planners will then go straight to the customers, the retail shops, and the online channels. All right. So before we start, I would like you to remember these two terminologies. These are very important. The first one is the sales points, and the second one is the business points. All of our products have sales points and business points. Now, the question is, what is the difference between these two? All right. So the difference between these two is that the sales points is
Recording in
used for rank
progress.
advancement. So if you want to compute your rank advancement, you will have to check with the sales points. And if you want to check how much you are going to really earn, then you have to check the business points. Okay. So this is the product price list and the points. No. In any other countries, they may use US dollars, Hong Kong dollars. Here in the Philippines, of course, we use the Philippine peso. So it might vary, no, a little bit, depende sa shipping cost niyan. Pero yung pricing, all of the pricing from all of the countries, it's basically the same range. But the SP and BP is fixed. We're all at the same SP and BP. So if you will observe this, the SP is slightly higher than the BP. Again, sales points is what you compute if you want to check your progress when it comes to the rank advancement, and BP is for the computation. Right? Now let's move forward. Of course, we also have some starter kits. We actually have 4 right now. And the most popular one is the 1,500 business kit. So the business kit, this one is 105,000 pesos. So you'll have 3 of each products that we have, that we offer here in the Philippines. And that has 1,500 SP and 1,000 BP. All right? So we also have the advanced. I want you to remember the business kit because I'm going to use this as an example later on. Okay, so we also have 1,000 advanced kit, and we also have 500 basic kit and 300 basic kit. All of this, you're going to be seeing that in your mall once you check your mall. Now, there's 2 member entry at Riemann. So you can be a customer, wherein you will be required to have valid email address and the phone number. And you can also be a planner, okay? So there's a 1,100 registration fee, and of course, the difference is that the planner has commissions, but the customer has a customer program wherein they can actually have discounts. Now, when you become a planner, there's actually 7 ranks. There's from planner, manager, senior manager, up to the national director. So the national director is the highest rank that we have at Riemann. All right? Now let's go first with the customer point of view. So if you sponsor someone as a customer, this is what they'll be seeing. This is going to be their perks. Okay, this is for customers only. No, so for the customers, we have what we call the customer program, wherein you can be a customer and then eventually be upgraded to become a VIP customer and a VVIP customer. Now, you can be a VIP customer or a VVIP customer depending on your most recent 12 months purchase. So this is going to be based on your purchase history. So if you or the customer has already reached 55,800 VAT exclusive of purchases in the previous 12 months, then he or she will become a VIP customer. If he or she will be reaching 175,000 worth of sales of purchases, okay, VAT exclusive, then he or she will become a VVIP customer. Now question, Carl, If, for example, I will be able to reach 175,000 in 3 months, should I wait for 12 months before I will be upgraded to VVIP customer? Now, the answer is no. So if you will be able to reach this within 3 months, then within 3 months on your next purchase, you can be a VVIP customer. Now, what will the VVIP customer get, or the customers will get? First is the rewards points. Okay? Remember, as a customer, they don't see the SP and the BP. Okay, so they can only see the products, the prices. That's why the rewards points that they will be having is based on the subtotal of their purchases. When you say subtotal, it's gonna be less the shipping, less the taxes. Okay, so whenever they purchase, they'll get 5%, which they can use on their next purchase as a discount. All right, that the customers must be aware that the rewards points actually has expiration of 90 days. So they have to use their earned rewards points within 90 days. Okay, para hindi ma-expire. So that's 5% across the board. Now, it's best for you to become a VIP customer or a VVIP customer, because by then, when you become a VIP customer, you're gonna get additional 5% as a discount, straight up discount, and 10% for a VVIP customer. So again, this is based on your purchases. And the difference between rewards points and discount is that rewards points, you have to, parang $3 yan eh. You have to activate it. You have to use it. While the discount, it auto-applies. So, parang pag whenever we are in Shopee or Lazada, whenever you check out, yung discount automatic na yan when you check out. But then, you're gonna have an option to use your rewards points or to keep it muna and save it for another day. Okay, those are the difference. So this is the customer program. So we make it exciting for them by giving them discounts. Remember, when someone registers as a customer, it only means that they just want to use the products. All right, they're not ready for the business yet. They're not open to it, or they just really want to be a user. All right, but they're gonna have discounts. Next. Let's go now to the planner's point of view. It's going to be your point of view as a planner. All right. There goes our compensation plan. So we actually have 10 ways to earn. As you can see here, from planner to national director, we have a rebate or retail commission for them. As you can see, as you progress, as you rank up, percentages get higher and higher. Of course, we will be discussing about this one by one later on. But you must also know that there are commissions that are only available on a certain rank. Like for example, the open group commission is only available when you become a senior manager. So meaning it's not available for planners, it's not available for managers, only starting from being a senior manager. We also have our leadership override, which only starts when you become a director. Okay, so you will be unlocking more commissions and bonuses as you rank up. Okay, that's why we really encourage you to hit the highest rank as soon as possible, so that these opportunities will open up to you. Okay, so I have divided this compensation plan so that not to create any confusion. I divided it among earning from your own purchases, earning from your customers' purchases, and earning from your downlines. So hinati-hati ko talaga siya just to make it clear, okay? Now this one, as you know, whenever you buy something at the market, you pay for it, you get the products, and then you use it, thank you, finish, right? Now here at Reman, we actually give you rebates and Reman dollars whenever you purchase, okay? So we have here 5% rebate for planners, 5% rebates, and 5% Reman dollars. And it goes higher. And the maximum is, if you become a team leader, you'll get 20% rebate and 20% Reman dollars. Now, what's the difference between a rebate and Reman dollar? A rebate turns into cash. It goes to your e-wallet, okay, as a cash incentive. And this is based on the BP. This one you have to remember. Based on the BP, not on the price of each product that you buy. And then you also have Reman dollars. What's the difference, Carl, between rebate and Reman dollar? Rebate turns into cash. Reman dollars turns into discount. Okay, so let me give you an example. Okay, let's just say that you purchase a business kit. All right. A business kit has 1,000 BP. Again, whenever we compute our commission, we always check the BP. Okay. So as a planner, this is how you compute it. Okay. As a planner, that's 1,000 BP multiplied by 5% because you're a planner. That's 50 or 50 US dollars. Okay? But then we have to compute it and convert it into peso. So we have to multiply that by 55.8. That's going to be our fixed rate for now in the Philippines. So that's equivalent to 2,790 as a rebate. So may tax pa tayo dyan. But after tax, that will be going to your e-wallet. All right? Next, you will also have your Remon dollars with the same equivalent. The difference is that the Remon dollars, walang tax yan. So you'll get 2,790 peso worth of Remon dollars, which you can use to purchase on your next purchase as a discount. All right. So basically, as a planner, your immediate ROI for buying the business kit is about 5,500. Now, of course, there's manager, there's senior manager, but there's also team leader. And I want to show you this because I want you to appreciate the difference of rank and how it affects the same purchase, no? So as a team leader, you purchase 1,000 business points worth of products. That's a business kit. So just multiply by 20%. Instead of getting 2,790, this time, as a team leader, you're gonna get 11,160 pesos. That goes to your e-wallet. All right. And of course, you're also going to be getting the same amount for Remon dollars. So I just want you to appreciate this one from 5,500 as a planner for buying the same thing, buying the same kit. Just by being a team leader, your ROI, your immediate ROI goes up to 22,200 pesos, 300 pesos. So those are the difference. That's why we really encourage everybody to get the highest rank as fast as possible. All right. Now, Carl, I'm very excited about my purchases. Now, my question is, when will I get the rebate? Okay. Here at Remon, we have a Saturday to Friday cutoff. So every purchase, the cutoff is Saturday to Friday. So, for example, in this actual calendar on June 2025, all of the purchases from June 7 to 13, you just have to count 2 Tuesdays, 1, 2, and then you're going to be getting your rebate on this date, which is June 24. Okay? So, Carl, what if I purchase on the 15th? Then you're gonna be getting it on the next Tuesday. Okay? So, always remember, we have two types of commissions here. One is weekly. This is the weekly one. And then there's a monthly. Later on, I'm gonna be showing you the monthly. All right? So, this is the only way for you to earn from your own purchases. Okay? That's rebate and Remon dollars. Now, when you become a planner, you're gonna be attracting 2 types of people. All right. The first one is the customers. These are your friends, who just wanted to use the products. They see the effect on your skin and they just want to use it. They're not ready for the business yet, or they don't see the opportunity yet. And then the second type of clients is that the planners. They're the people who says, since I'm gonna be buying it from a same price as a customer, might as well be a planner and maybe, get an opportunity with this business. So those are the 2 types, customers and planners. And you need both of them. And I'm gonna show you later on why. All right. So let's go now first on how you will earn from your customers' purchases. All right. If you register someone, maybe your tita, your friend who just wanted to be customers, this is how you are going to be earning from them. We have what we call the retail commission. Now, the retail commission ranges from, as a planner, you get 10%, manager 20%, senior manager 25%, and for team leaders, you get 40%. Okay, that's the highest for the retail commission. From team leader and above, that's 40%. Now, let me give you an example. All right. For example, you have 10 customers. You have 10 friends who just wanted to be customers, but each month, they always buy 300 BP worth of products. So maybe that's a whole ritual, and then they added some more. But total is 300 BP every month, and there's 10 of them. Okay, if you're a planner, this is how you compute it. That's 3,000 BP because there's 10 for 300 each. Multiply by 10% as a planner, then you get 300 US dollars, or that's about 16,000 pesos. If they are buying every month, then you are going to receive the 16,740 every month, less tax, of course. Okay, you can see here actually how the business actually looks like. No, your friends or the one you refer, they buy the products, but then you get to earn. And then the good thing about it is you don't even have to mind about the logistics. We, the Remon company, will do the logistics. We'll be sending off the products to their houses. All right. And then we will compute your commissions. You just have to check every Tuesday your commission. No. Now, I just want to show you also, if you're a team leader, okay, and you get the same number of people with the same number of BP purchasing every month, that's 3,000 BP, you then have to multiply it by 40%. Then every month, if they purchase every month, then you'll be receiving 66,900 pesos. All right, that's a whole lot of difference for the same effort, same number of people buying. Now, Carl, I have 10 customers and not all of them are buying every month. Some of them medyo mabagal gumamit ng products. So, what do I suggest? You get 15 customers, you get 20 customers, and then palitan sila to get the purchase. But as long as they keep on purchasing the products, you will be receiving this. If you'll be having 3,000 BP every month worth of purchases from customers, you'll be receiving 66,960 every month. All right? So, may nakausap ako before, no? I just presented it to someone and then she actually bought a condo unit which rented for 50,000 pesos every month. And then sabi niya, Carl, I spent million to buy that condominium to earn 50,000 a month. Tapos pag may sira pa yung fixtures, akin pa yon. Look at this, I only have to introduce Riemann to 10 customers and I earn 66,960. And I don't need to spend so many millions just to buy a unit, right? Now, next question, when will I receive the retail commission? Because I'm excited for it, Carl. So it goes the same way with the rebate. That's a weekly commission. From Saturday to Friday, you just have to count 2 Tuesdays and then you can see it at your in your e-wallet. All right? So there's another bonus wherein you can actually add more to earning from your customers. But before I continue with this one, I just want to know if you guys are still listening. Can you type in number 3 at the chat box? So I'll just know that everybody's still focused, everybody's still here, you're still listening, and you can still clearly understand. Okay, thank you so much, Miss Trixie, Miss Geraldine, Mr. Ray, thank you so much. All right, let's continue. Before I give you the 2 requirements for the top retailer bonus, I just want to show you the results if you get these 2 requirements. There's 2 requirements for the top retailer bonus, but I just want to show you the results first. The result is that if you get these 2 requirements, this is your retail kanina, di ba? We'll add 5% more or 10% more. In this case, if you add 10% more, instead of getting just 16,000, you're gonna be getting 33,000 pesos as a planner, and as a team leader, you're gonna get 83,000 for the same purchase. These are the same 10 customers that you have purchasing 300 BP each month. The question is, Carl, I really love this. I really love adding to my customer earnings. How would I get it? So these are the 2 requirements, okay? So the 2 requirements are, you have to choose first. Do you want additional 5% or additional 10%? If you want additional 10%, then you need to have 20 active customers on that month. Okay? Okay, what do you mean by active customers? It means customers who purchase at least 1 product on that month. So if you have 10 already, as my example a while ago, then automatically you get this requirement for the 5%. But if you want more, if you want 10% more, then you should get 20. And then the next requirement is that you should get 4,000 or 2,000 SP worth of personal group volume. Okay, for the personal group volume, it's a combination of all your purchases and your customers' purchases. But remember, there's actually a cap on this for every customer. It's capped for 200 SP maximum. So meaning if they purchase the whole 4,000 SP, only 200 SP lang ang we will count for this requirement. But for the earnings, of course, you're gonna get it just for the requirement. Okay, so Carl, how do I take advantage of this top retailer bonus? Okay, the best way for you to take advantage of this is to get as many customers as you can. Get as many friends who just wanted to buy the products, and I'm sure there are who just wanted to buy the products, or your relatives, pamangkin, tita, who just wanted to use the products. Then you can enroll them as a customer. Okay, if you get these 2 requirements, then you get 5% or 10% additional to your retail bonus. As my example a while ago, you'll get to earn this one. Okay? Now, the top retailer bonus is part of the monthly scheme. Okay? So meaning, yung commission natin, in my example here, for June production for the whole month, because of course the company will wait if you can get 10 or 20 customers, active customers, then ang release niyan lagi is every 15th of the next month. Okay? Every 15th of the next month. If it falls in a holiday or a Sunday, of course, i-advance natin yan ng a day before. But the release is default at 15th of the next month. Alright? Now, let's go to the exciting part. Okay? How do I earn from my downlines purchases? And when I say downlines, these are the people you refer as a planner. They became a planner. Okay? So again, the difference between the customer and the planner, when you sponsor them or you refer them to the company, is that the customer is our end user. Basically, it will not grow. They will just keep on using the products. But for the planners, their goal is also to look for other planners and customers. So this is where the growth is, having downlines, having those people who enroll as a planner. All right? Now, the first one that you'll be getting if you're new is the sponsor commission. The sponsor commission is a commission given to planners, managers, up to senior managers only. Okay, Carl, how about for team leaders and above? So team leaders and above doesn't have the sponsor commission, but don't worry because they actually have a better offer later on. But starting from now, we actually have additional requirements. Okay, starting from this commission, you need to have 3 active customers. Okay, in a one calendar month. What will happen, Carl, if I don't have the 3 active customers? If you don't have the 3 active customers, mawi-withhold yung commission mo. Carl, does it mean mawawala yung commission ko? No. I-withhold lang siya until you get the 3 active customers in a one calendar month. Okay? Again, mawi-withhold yung commission mo. It will not be gone. Hindi siya mawawala. Mawi-withhold lang siya. Alright? So, what if next month, Carl, ma-meet ko yung active customers ko? And then you'll get all your commissions. Okay? So, always remember this one. And to tell you honestly, the reason why I emphasize this is because many planners still don't get the 3 active customers. Okay? Kaya ina-emphasize ko lang siya. Now, let's go to the sponsor commission. Okay? The sponsor commission says, if you're a planner and you sponsored another planner, you'll get 5% of whatever he or she purchases together with all the customers niya. Okay? If you're a manager, eventually nag-rank up ka and then you sponsor planner, 10% na. If you're a senior manager and you sponsor another planner, a new planner, so lahat ng purchases niya and customer purchases niya, you'll get 15%. Okay? Carl, what if I'm a senior manager tapos yung planner ko before, ngayon naging manager na, will I still get something? You'll get 5%. If maging senior manager na rin siya, Carl, just like me, what will I get? I still get 5%. Okay? Let me show you an illustration para mas clear, no? For example, you have 3 friends. Okay? Meron kang 3 friends. One of them became a planner. Okay? One of them become a manager with customers sila lahat. And then senior manager naman yung isa. And then let's just say that the planner is producing 2,000 BP per month together with all the customers. The manager naman is producing 3,000 BP and then the senior manager is 6,000 BP. How much do I earn, Carl? Okay? With this exact computation, with the planner, you get 16,000. With the manager, you get 8,000. And then the senior manager, you also get 16,000. That's the total of 41,850. Just by introducing 3 people. Okay? So kung i-add natin yan kanina with the top retailer and then the retail commission, basically you're at around 120,000 pesos. If they are continuously purchasing every month like this, together with your customer, then every month you get around 120,000 pesos. And as you can observe, medyo conservative ako when putting in some numbers. So these numbers are actually very doable and these are very conservative. Okay? Numbers. Just an example. I'm the type of person that I'm not into hype. Okay? I just want to really explain to you how the compensation plan really works. Okay? So this is the sponsor commission. All right. Let's move on to the open group commission. This one, okay? So the open group commission also has an active customer requirement of 3 if you're a senior manager, okay? And below, senior manager and below, you get 3 active customers as a requirement. So I really encourage everybody to really look for, get your customers. 3 active customers every month. Just any one product purchased, and then they will be considered as an active customer. Okay. Now, the open group commission is only given if you are already a senior manager. Okay. So if you're a planner, if you're a manager, you're here, I really want to encourage you to become a senior manager para you can open up this opportunity for you. All right. The open group commission. Okay. So the open group commission says that if this is the illustration that we have for the group, para siyang water. I always describe it as a water na nagtitrickle down to all your group, including all the customers. No? So dadaanan natin all of your group mates. The only ones that we will avoid is that if you already have a senior manager downline. So for example, on your 4th line, may senior manager na, hindi natin isasama sa computation yan. Down there, there's also a senior manager. So hindi natin i-include yan. But the good thing about the open group commission is that this is actually unlimited. Meaning kahit gaano ka-deep, kahit gaano kadami yung downlines, even if you don't know them personally, we will still compute them as long as they're not senior managers. And we'll give you 5% of all their purchases, BP purchases, including all their customers. That's why I always say, whenever somebody asks me, Carl, what does a healthy group looks like? Okay? I always answer them with, you having your own customers, personal customers, and your group having their own planners and customers. All right? That's what I always answer. It should be a healthy group na meron ka rin customers and you also have planners. Okay? Everybody should have a customer. Now, 5% BP, let's give an example on this. For example, your whole group is producing 11,000 BP. Of course, not including the senior managers, ha? Okay? This group, ito nilagay natin, managers and planners and all their customers. With this one, since you'll be having your 5% more, then you're gonna be having 30,690 every month. Now, if you notice this, as a senior manager, you've already earned your sponsor commission dito. Tama? If you can still remember, as a planner, manager, you get, to earn 10% or 5%. But here, or 15% even, di ba? Pero this one, you will still earn again from it because of the open group commission. So we will compute all of this. Ang hindi lang i-compute is if you have a senior manager. Okay? On this line, for example. Okay? So, are you guys excited for the comp plan? Do you love it? Pwede bang ganyan type 4? Okay? If you're still here and you can still focus on the compensation plan, thank you, Ms. Trixie, Ms. Pam. Thank you so much. All right, Ms. Jane, Ms. Geraldine, thank you so much. So, okay, let's continue with the open group commission. So, yeah. The next one, okay. Of course, the question is, Carl, I really wanted the open group commission. How do I become a senior manager ba or a manager? Okay, so let's discuss this first. Rank advancement at the beginning part of Remod. Okay, when you enroll and you give the registration fee of 1,100, of course, you'll become a planner. To become a manager, company is giving you 3 calendar months, okay, that you have to accumulate 3,000 SP. Again, now rank advancement tayo, that's why we're using SP. Okay? But there's a limitation per group, per line. Okay? Per line, you can only get the maximum of 1,500 SP originating from one leg. Okay, Carl, bakit may ganun? Okay, why do you have a limitation for one leg? Kasi we want to reward those who are more masipag, syempre. So what if kasi yung isang line lang na yun ang nabuo mo and then malaki yung naging grupo niya? We want to make sure that you also build another line kasi kung hindi, you only get 1,500 from that line. And you have to accumulate 3,000 SP, remember, in most recently calendar months. Okay? Now, Carl, does that mean I have to purchase all the 3,000 SP? The answer is no. Ito yung mga kukuhaan natin ng SP or bibilangin natin ng SP. Okay, we will compute for the SP of these 4 items. First is the SP from all your personal purchases. That's the first one. Second is that if you have personal customers, we will compute those 2. We will add that up. Second is if you have first level planners. And the last one is if those first level planners also have customers. Okay? So, 4 yun. We will add all of them. Kung tumama na ng 3,000 SP, then you become manager. Okay? Carl, can I also buy all the 3,000 SP because I'm really excited? I want more products for myself. You can. Okay? You just have to buy 2 business kits, then you're a manager, basically. Okay, it's up to you how to do it, no? So the next one is a senior manager. So senior manager naman, dodoblehin lang natin that 6,000 SP within the most recent 3 calendar months. Okay? But this time, ang limitation is 3,000 SP originating from one leg. Alright? So that's 6,000 SP within the most recent 3 calendar months. Again, i-add up natin yung apat kanina. Purchases mo, personal customers, first level planners, and their customers for you to get the 6,000 SP. Carl, if I want to get the senior manager rank kasi I'm really excited, can I buy that? Yes, you can. Apat na business kits and then you become a senior manager. Okay? So you can work on your face. Depende kung gaano mo kabilis gusto. Okay? So I just want to explain this 3 calendar month rule. Okay? If you enroll, for example, ng January, then you have January, February, March. Okay? If you will not make it ng March, for example, hindi ka maging manager or senior manager, i-move natin yan. So, yung magiging February, March, April. So, yung January production mo, mawawala siya. Okay? So, ano yung personal advice ko? Okay? If you're new here, my personal advice is that you get to the senior manager within 3 months. Many people here can get to senior managers within same day, 1 week, 2 weeks. It's really up to you. You know, this is your business, so it's really up to you. No, but the company gives you 3 rolling months to do it. Okay? So, ang suggestion ko, if you're new, get the senior manager rank within the first 3 months upon joining. All right? Now, next. Let's go. This one, I just want to show you also that the team leader up to the national director, they also have retail commission. That's 40% for them. Top retailer, across the board, that's up to 10%. But they don't have this sponsor commission. But they also have open group commission. But it's more interesting when you become a team leader for the open group commission. Okay, let's discuss that. As a senior manager, you only get 5% kanina, right? This one, the TL Open Group Commission will give you up to 40%. Okay, up to 40%. So as a team leader, parang water siya again, that will trickle down to all your group. We will include all the planners, senior managers, and managers. So ang iiwasan lang with the TL Open Group Commission is if you have other team leaders sa group. Parang naka-break away na siya, we will not be computing that. So in this example, on this side, as you can see, my mouse pointer, yung team leader, hindi na siya kasama sa computation. How about this one? You have a team leader down there. So hindi na rin natin siya kasama. Okay? So pag may team leader na, hindi mo na kasama with the TL Open Group Commission. That's actually the reason why we call it TL Open Group Commission. Kasi we will be computing your team with who are open na walang team leader, other team leaders na nanonood doon, no? But this one, I want to emphasize also that the active customer count, when you become a team leader, from 3, it will become 5 active customers. Again, what will happen? Mawi-withhold yung commission. It will not be gone. Mawi-withhold lang yung commission ninyo if you don't have the active customers. So I would like to remind everybody, especially if you're a team leader, you have to make sure that you have 5 active customers every month. Active customer means, again, 1 product na binili every month. Okay? Or at least on that month. Okay? Now, let's give an example. Okay? Kanina, I also give you 11,000 BP dun sa open group ng senior manager. But if you're a team leader, for the same work, 11,000 BP, you'll get less than 245,000 pesos. Way, way, way bigger than a senior manager. Okay? Now, Carl, I saw na meron ka, bakit may less than? Why do you have a less than sign there, no? Medyo malalim yung computation details yan, but I'll give you a quick explanation bakit may less than. Because remember, when you're a senior manager, you get 5% of the open group commission. Sa team leader naman kasi, we will be paying the senior managers their 5% first. Okay? So, ikaw, instead of getting the 40%, babayaran muna natin sila ng 5%, then you'll be getting 5% at least for the senior managers. Okay? And then, for example, on this line, manager and planner lang siya, you'll get the whole 40% naman. So, by konting bawas lang siya whenever you have a senior manager. Okay? Ibibigay muna natin yung 5% niya as his own open group commission. Alright? So, hindi naman mawawala, but may bawas ng konti. That's gonna be 35% for you. Alright? Next. Unilevel, this is one of my favorite, the Unilevel Commission. Okay, so I just want to explain first, especially if you're new here, your goal should be you sponsor someone, okay? You sponsor someone, and then that person will also sponsor someone, and that person will also sponsor someone, and so on. So eventually, this third, fourth, fifth, and even sixth level, most likely you don't personally know them na. Okay? Kasi parang kakilala, ng kakilala, ng kakilala mo. So basically, yung fourth, fifth to sixth level, hindi mo na yan personally kakilala. But Unilevel says that you'll still earn 5% on the first, 5% on the second level, 3% across the board up to 6th level. But let me discuss first the requirements kasi this is very important, okay? There are two basic requirements for the Unilevel, okay? The first one is that you must have a minimum of 10 lifetime customers. Okay, Carl, what does a lifetime customer means? Is it the same as the active customers? Okay, a lifetime customer means customers who are registered under you kahit wala naman silang biniling produkto for that month. Okay? Carl, what if I already have 10 active customers? Are those also considered lifetime customers? Yes. So the difference between active and lifetime is that active has a purchase on that month. Lifetime customers means naka-enroll sa iyo as customer even though they don't have a purchase for that month. So for this one, ang requirement is you need to have at least 10 lifetime customers. What else? And then 1,000 SP in personal sales volume. Carl, you mean I have to purchase my own 1,000 SP per month? No. When you say 1,000 SP in personal sales volume, that includes your own purchases and your customers' purchases. Now, I want to emphasize again, you see how easy it is when you have customers. You see how easy it is to get the requirements whenever you actually have customers, organic customers who are really purchasing. Okay? So, yun yung two basic requirements niya. But, may leveling din ito. If you're a planner and a manager, you can only earn up to the second level. Okay? If you're a senior manager, you can earn up to the fourth level. If you're a team leader and above, then you can maximize it to the sixth level. Carl, question. If I'm a manager pero gusto ko talaga, I really wanted to reach up to the sixth level, is it possible? Yes, it's possible, but the basic requirements increases. Okay? I'm gonna show you kung gaano kalaki yung increase niya. If you're a manager, for example, but you wanted to reach the sixth level, supposedly up to the second level ka lang, the requirement now is that you should have 50 lifetime customers and 5,000 SP in personal sales volume. Basically, it's easier for you to get promoted na lang, no, than to get this. But if you want to ask if it's possible, it is possible. Okay? So again, basic is that planners and managers up to the second level, senior managers at the fourth level, and then to the sixth level, you can get Unilevel. Okay? Next. Okay, I'll give you an example. Okay, this one I might be a little bit too generous with the BP, no. But I'll give you an example just so you know, no. So this is you on your first level. Let's just say it's producing 10,000 BP together with the customers. 9,000 on the second level. Third is 8,000. Up to the sixth level, it's 3,000 BP. They're producing it together with all the customers. With this example, all right, you're gonna be getting this one per level. Okay, so that's a total of 93,000 pesos. So let's just say, Carl, you're too generous naman doon sa numbers eh. Let's divide it into two. Half na lang niya. Okay, so you get, let's just say, sa 50,000, for example. Okay, then that's gonna be your Unilevel. And remember, this is per line. So if you have 5 of those, imagine if you have 5 of those, then you're gonna be earning 465,930. Okay, sige, you're too generous. Hatiin na lang natin sa kalahati. Then you're gonna get 250,000 pesos. Okay? So again, all of this commission that I'm discussing, these are all on top of each other. Okay? Patong-patong na yan. So you can use just your imagination kung paano sunod-sunod at patong-patong na yung commission na to that we're having. Alright? Let's go to the next one. Yeah, so we actually have leadership match bonus, leadership override, freshenation override, and revenue share. But I'm gonna skip these two para magkasya tayo dun sa time limit natin. Okay? So, but I'm gonna be discussing to you the leadership match and then quickly the revenue share. Okay? As a team leader and above, you're gonna be getting this, no? So let me just show you the leadership match bonus. This is one actually of my most favorite na I-discuss, no? So leadership match says that if you're a team leader, okay, this is open for team leaders and above only, okay? If you're a team leader and you manage to grow one team leader within your group, for the first level or first generation of team leader, whatever he or she earns, you'll get 40% of it. The company will give you 40% of that. Okay, let me show you an illustration para mas clear. Okay, let's just say that this is your organization. This will really make you excited to become a team leader. Now, if you're a team leader and then on this first line, for example, you introduce this person, si planner, pero eventually hindi siya masyadong mabilis. Ang naging team leader is this one. Let's just say you don't personally know him. He became a team leader. Whatever he or she earns, the company will give you 40% of that. Okay? If this person is earning 100,000, then the company will give you 40,000 pesos just because. Okay? Just because you managed to build a team leader down there. Okay? And if you're a team leader, you can get up to the third level or third generation. I'll give you another example. On the second line, this person becomes a team leader, the company will give you whatever he or she earns, company will give you 40% of that. Okay? If may team leader pa dito sa baba, kagaya na nasa example natin, nakalagay dito is 20%. So the company will give you 20% of what he or she earns as a bonus. Okay? We will not be getting that bonus from him. Company will be giving to you. Okay? If there's one more team leader dito sa baba niya, if there's one more, then as a team leader, you're gonna get 10% na naman ng earnings niya. Company will give you that. Okay? So, if in this line, walang team leader, then no computation for the leadership match. For the fourth line, team leader, okay, you're gonna get 40% again. So, Carl, ano yung best way to do it? How can I maximize this? Okay? First one is that you yourself should reach a team leader as soon as possible. And then once you reach a team leader, you have to really help your team, okay, become also team leaders. Okay? So, ang business natin kasi is really helping other people, helping them glow with the skin, and also, kung talagang they wanted to do the business to help them out, become a team leader also. Okay? And once they earn more, then you get to also earn from that more because of helping these people. And what's really exciting is that if you become a director, you get up to the fourth level. If you become a senior director, to the fifth level. If you become a national director, you're up to the sixth level. All right. So this is how beautiful the leadership match bonus is. So I hope you guys are really excited to become a team leader because of this one. All right. So yeah, the next one we'll be skipping on the 2, but I want to share the revenue share. No, revenue share. Basically, what we do is the whole Asia Pacific. So that includes Taiwan, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Singapore, Philippines, Japan. Every month, we're gonna get 1% of the BP sales of all those Asia Pacific countries. So hindi kasama si Korea doon, okay? So Asia Pacific, we're gonna get 1%. And i-divide natin yung 1% BP na yun to all directors and up based on their number of directors as well. So it's gonna be a point system. So of course, definitely this is available only for directors and up. It's gonna be based on the point system na the more directors you have, the more senior directors or national directors you have, the more points you'll get and the bigger your share. Kumbaga dun sa pie of the 1% ng whole Asia Pacific sales. All right, so you can just imagine how big that's gonna be, and you know that's gonna be making you more excited to become a director. So far in the Philippines, you only have one director, and I'm hoping and praying na at least magkaroon tayo again ng next na magiging director. And I hope na one of you guys who are listening to our compensation plan will be the next one. Okay, claim natin yan to become the next director at 3-month Philippines. All right, so. Okay, Carl. Now, my question is, how do I become a team leader? Okay, team leader muna tayo. For team leader, the company is giving you 5 calendar months. Okay? And then you have to accumulate 50,000 SP within your team group. So, lahat na to bibilangin within your team group na walang team leader. Okay? So, 50,000 SP, pero may maximum din yan. May maximum din per leg or per line na 25,000 SP only. So, laging ganun. Napapansin niyo, laging yung half. You can only get, the maximum is laging half ng 50,000 or yung requirements from one line. Okay? So, you have to really build your lines. What else? You need to get you need to promote 3 senior manager legs. No? So that's why you are called a team leader. That's why this business is called a helping business, because you need to help three people, at least three people, to become senior managers as well. Then you can be a team leader. Okay? So this is how you get your team leader. So that's 5 calendar months. So you have to check kailan kayo nag-register, okay? At pang ilang months yun na ngayon for you to get the 50,000 SP. And really the best way to do it is, to get promoted to senior manager as fast as you can and then get your senior managers. Later on, I'm gonna show you. Okay? Oh, this one. How do you become a team leader? This is I'm not gonna say easiest, but the simplest way to do it. This is actually included in the orientation natin, no? The team leader game plan. How do you become a team leader? Okay? This is the simplest illustration. So you should look for 3 people who will become senior managers. So basically, nagawa mo na isang requirement to look for 3 senior managers. And then you ask these 3 people to also look for 3 senior managers. These 3 senior managers look for 3 more each senior managers. Then you become a team leader. If you compute that, that's gonna be more than 50,000 SP. So, kuha mo na yung SP na requirements, plus you have your 3 senior managers. This is the way to do it. Okay? So, get 3 senior managers, teach them how to get their 3 senior managers each, then you become a team leader. Kasi sabi nga, with our orientation, duplication of senior managers is the fastest way to become a team leader. Okay, so the stepping stone is to become senior manager. So if you're a planner or a manager here, I really do encourage you to become senior manager as fast as you can. All right, and then you look for more senior managers or help people become senior managers.